Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will give you a honest review about Kraken and Kraken Pro. First of all, I need to tell you the Kraken Normal is better for simplicity and easy use. It's very beginner friendly, so it's a good choice when you're a beginner. Then it's also a lower complexity overhead, and that means that you won't get overwhelmed with different charts or difficulties. And it's also integrated with your account, so it's very easy to deposit or do withdrawals, or it's very beginner friendly. When you choose to go to Kraken Pro has more advanced trading features, so that's maybe better when you are an advanced trader and you want more options on the app. It has a lower fee, so that's also better when you do many trades. It has more control and flexibility, and it has a all-in-one advanced interface. So that's maybe better when you're an advanced trader. So in my opinion, when you're a beginner with trading or buying stocks, please use Kraken. And when you're advanced in trading or want to do massive trades or trades with huge amount, please use Kraken Pro. So this is my honest opinion. Kraken Pro is better for the advanced and Kraken Normal is better for the beginner. So hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.